Today, we are going deep into one of the best ways to build wealth over time, real estate investing. In this video, we'll break down different ways you can invest in real estate, cover profits, risks, and provide real-life examples. We'll make this simple, so even beginners can understand. Let's get started. 1. Residential real estate. This is the most common and familiar type of real estate investment. It includes single-family homes, apartments, duplexes, and vacation homes. Here's how you can make money, profits. You generate income by renting out these properties. Over time, as the property value appreciates, you can also sell it for a higher price. Risks. The biggest risks here include tenants not paying rent, vacancies, or market downturns that affect property values. Example, if you buy a $300,000 house and rent it out for $2,000 a month, your monthly profit is the rent minus expenses like mortgage, maintenance, and taxes. 2. Commercial real estate. This includes office buildings, retail spaces, and industrial properties like warehouses. Profits. Commercial properties typically have higher returns than residential because businesses are generally willing to pay more for prime locations. Risks. However, vacancies can last longer, and economic downturns can hit commercial properties harder. These properties also require larger upfront capital. Example, a commercial property might generate $50,000 annually in rental income, but if the building is vacant, you may not make money for months until a new tenant is found. 3. Real estate investment trusts. REITs allow you to invest in real estate without actually owning physical properties. You buy shares in a company that owns and manages a portfolio of real estate assets. It's like investing in real estate through the stock market. Profits. REITs pay out dividends regularly, which come from the income generated by the properties in their portfolio. It's a hands-off way to earn from real estate. Risks. REITs are subject to market volatility and interest rate fluctuations. Also, because you're not directly owning property, you have less control. Example, buying shares in a REIT that focuses on commercial properties might give you a steady annual dividend of 4 to 6%. 4. House flipping. Flipping involves buying undervalued properties, renovating them, and selling them for a profit. Profits. If done correctly, flipping can yield high returns in a short period. A $200,000 house might sell for $300,000 after renovations. Risks. The risks include unforeseen renovation costs, delays, and fluctuations in the housing market. Example, a flipper might spend $50,000 on renovations and sell a house for $100,000 more than the purchase price, yielding a $50,000 profit. 5. Vacation rentals. With platforms like Airbnb, short-term vacation rentals have become a popular way to invest in real estate. Profits. These rentals often generate more income than traditional long-term rentals, especially in tourist destinations. Risks. However, they require constant management, and income can be inconsistent based on seasonality and market demand. Example, a property near the beach might rent for $300 per night, generating significant income during peak seasons but sitting empty for parts of the year. 6. Mortgage notes. This is a less traditional way of investing in real estate. Instead of owning property, you own the loan. You act as the lender, collecting payments from the borrower. Profits. Interest payments from the loan. Risks. Borrowers defaulting on payments. Example, if you invest in a mortgage note for $50,000, you'll receive monthly payments that include both principal and interest. 7. Real estate mutual funds. These funds pool money from many investors to invest in real estate-related stocks, REITs, and mortgage-backed securities. Profits. Growth of the fund and regular dividends. Risks. Market risks similar to stocks. Example, investing in a real estate mutual fund provides diversification across many properties. 8. Real estate investment groups. REITs are like small-scale mutual funds for real estate. A company buys or builds a set of rental properties, and you invest in the group. Profits. Part of the rental income is distributed among investors. Risks. Lower control over management and higher fees. Example, if you invest $10,000 in an REIT, you receive a share of the rental income and potential appreciation. So, real estate offers a variety of ways to build passive income. From direct ownership of rental properties and flipping houses to investing in REITs, mortgage notes, there's a real estate strategy for everyone. While there are risks, the potential for long-term wealth is significant. Do your research, plan carefully, and start small. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos in our passive income series.